In this video, I'll show you how the lesson pages are built up. You can reach these lessons in the navigation bar, and now we're at lesson 7 in this example. You'll land on the Overview tab, and this runs you through everything that the lesson 7 is all about. Then we have the tabs of the songs in the book, the exercises 26, 27, 28, and for now 29. Click on the video and you can play along with exercise 29. Now there's an A-B looper, so if you want to rehearse a certain part of the video, you don't have to play all video every time. So you can select the starting point and you can select the end point, the in and the out. So let's say we want to stop it right here. Then we move the slider of the out and let's see what we have. And it will loop between the in and the out. So you don't have to play the whole video every time. We'll put the out a little bit further, but you can rehearse certain parts of it, making it a lot more efficient. And you can switch it off again, like that. The download buttons are the pages in the book, and these will contain the exercises 26 till 29 in the book.